Welcome to another short video, maybe not so short, I don't know yet, of the Bushcraft experience. We're in the fish trap mode, and last video, and it was about 15 minutes ago, I placed the trap around the bend, and yeah, I checked, and I want to show you what I got. I baited it with... Okay, I have to be careful not to fall, because the camera is not waterproof. I baited it with avena, with oatmeal. Yeah, that's the word for it. And I checked on it just a few minutes ago. So we are talking about 20 minutes, let's say. 20 minutes. You see that? I know that I got a right spot here. So, I don't know, guys. I will let the fish free, because for me this experiment has come to an end. And I'm confident that I now can place a fish trap like anywhere in the river where I would like to. So basically, yeah, it comes down to a few things. First, you need a bottle. I mean, you could replace this with something else, like maybe like a structure made from tiny woods, and so basically you have like a big basket, and then on one side you made a funnel in, but that would mean that the small fishes escape, which then means that you need to put it somewhere where you know that they are big fishes. But once you have like a cola bottle and a knife, I mean, you're basically set. You can catch in 20 minutes, if you have the right spot, you can catch big fishes, or small fishes, a lot. Basically, that's what you want. The only problem is you might run out of supplies, So actually, yeah, I don't know yet how to mitigate that problem. Let's go up here. Looks like a little bit easier. Let me first climb that rock. Okay, here we go. So yeah, so maybe some time, to check out where the guys live. I mean, you see the swarms sometimes around. I think these are good places, if you have like these bushy areas over there, and you hang one of those, a little bit of oatmeal to seed your first trap, you pretty much get quite a good amount of fish. I mean, I would make a fish soup now, and the guts I would use for bait, and I would put one. I would put close to the running water. I would put one. Here I'd probably put two. There put another one. And in that bush over there. But maybe I would put it in the bush. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10-ish traps. And every day I would have a good fish soup. Of course, that probably would mean that I'm using quite a lot of fish here out of the river, and it would be a quite boring diet. So, but that's definitely a way to get a few days and yeah, to get a easy food, because I wait till the fish trap is full and I can do something else. Which brings me to the next thing. A friend of mine, Isa, she put a challenge to me, and that's here in this environment, she asked what's the most important one here, and we went through the shelter thing, because at night it still gets 15 degrees, which is maybe 10 degrees, which is not really comfortable. Yeah, 15, let's say 15 degrees, which is not really comfortable for sleeping, you know. I mean, yeah, so shelter is obviously one priority, but probably not a life-threatening priority. And for shelter, actually, I would here also go for some kind of fire shelter, because we have a lot of wood around. I would not necessarily put myself in a bed of, I don't know, hay or what, because we have also snakes here. We have scorpions here. They're living here on these rocks, or under small rocks. And snakes and the scorpions, they are actually quite a bit nasty. And there you see actually the fish here swimming around. Okay, so I would go for a fire-based shelter. And the next thing obviously is water. I mean, you could drink that water. I know here also some springs where you completely safe to take it out of the spring. But to be sure and to drink here from the river, I would definitely want to boil the water. So actually also I need fire. And then Isa said, yeah, let's put a challenge to you, my friend. And she put a challenge to me, that is making fire without any tools, meaning no knife, no string, and of course no match, no fire stick, no piston, whatever you have. So I will make the next video about the hand drill experience. No technology, not even a bottle. And yeah, I will collect the things. Probably I will do one video for collecting all the material, and another video for the trials I need to make really fire. What I need is, I need to have flames, so my bundle needs to lighten up, and then I have flames and I'm good to go. That's a good challenge. I'm really looking forward to it. It's a tough one for me, because I did had some experiences and trials with making fire with a hand and with a bow drill, but they were not very successful. Basically, when I make fire, I use my fire stick. So yeah, I'm looking forward to learn that, the hand drill technique. And of course, I upload the video, and I'm really happy that you come and join me on this bushcraft experiences. I think this fish trap experience was a really good one. And actually we have also a cordage thing going on, and now I will put those guys back to where they belong. If the supermarket is still stocked and good, we don't need you guys. You can have an easy, happy life. Well, easy probably it's not, but but happy. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share it with your friends. Be happy, be nice, be kind, speak your mind. I'm your journeyman. Thanks for this trip, and see you on the next one.